Yeah, my name is Chi-Keung Lau. I came to Cardiff exactly 50 years ago, in 1975, reading civil engineering. I'm very honored. I'm also humbled because it's a big honor. I'm very grateful that I got the recognition from my alma mater. I was at that time studying physics in one of the universities, Chinese university in Hong Kong. My older brother, was studying in Manchester, and he suggests if I want to do engineering, I can come to Cardiff. So I decided to come to Cardiff, and here I am. Yeah. My impression 50 years ago is very welcoming, very inclusive, a lot of diversity. Looking back, it's amazing, but now it's almost a norm. But in those days, I find it very comforting to be here. I benefit a lot from the degree I have here. It opened a lot of doors for me. I think the training here is really good. I think the faculty look after the students, and the student learn something which is really, really useful. It helped me to sit for the Institute of Civil Engineer examination and the Institute of Structural Engineer examination. All passed the first time I took the test, which means my training here is really, really up to date and relevant. When I first came here, it's a cultural shock for me. Although I learned English, but English is not my mother tongue, so I struggle. I have no problem attending lectures because they speak in the normal English. But everyday life, I find it very difficult. It took me a long time to understand a copper and a bobby. One is in uniform, one is not in uniform. It took a long time. And a copper, I have no idea what is a copper until they explained to me, oh, it's a cup of tea. But this is okay. You learn it very quickly once you are in here.